Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to add your card to Lemfi. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the process is pretty straightforward. It just takes a few minutes. Here's a quick guide. I'm going to help you get through everything that you need to do. So first of all, you need to access the cards section on your Lemfi app. You need to log into your account, make sure that you are logged in, and from your dashboard you can scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on cards, right? Then you can navigate to the card section. So you can you will then be redirected to the get your card screen, where you can begin the process of linking your bank card with your Lemfi account. The next thing you're going to do is enter your card details. Of course, you're going to need things like your card number, expiration date, CVV. Your CVV code is actually the 3 digits on the back of your bank card. And then once you've done that, you're going to confirm all of your information, make sure that you're reviewing the information, and then you are going to save that card. One of the other things that you need to take into consideration is some of the tips for using cards within Lemfi. So you need to ensure that your card is active and enabled for online transactions. Also, if you're US based, you may need to complete identification verification and provide social security numbers. Also, if you encounter any issues during the card linkage process, make sure that you do contact Lemfi's customer support, and then also regularly update your Lemfi app. This literally goes for any other app that you may have. Make sure that it's always updated so that you get access to the latest features. Also, more importantly, security features, and also their latest card management options. I hope this was helpful.